Hi, I'm Neil Gunagunta, the creator of WasteWise. Food loss and waste is defined as the reduction of edible food available for human consumption throughout the supply chain, either through losses such as damage and disease of crops, or waste such as discarding food that is still fit for consumption. Food loss and waste accounts for one-third of all food produced globally and is a significant contributor to carbon emissions and climate change. So to help solve this problem, I decided to build and deploy a machine learning model that can predict and visualize food loss and waste percentage across different commodities, countries, and supply chain stages in order to identify trends in the data and predict future food loss and waste. This app uses a decision tree model trained on data from the United Nations Food Loss and Waste database. To build my model, I started by testing 8 different regression models. Through hyperparameter tuning, I determined that the decision tree model with these parameters performed the best and was able to predict future food loss and waste. As you can see, it achieved a testing R-squared value of 0.61, suggesting that 61% of the variability in the percentage of food loss and waste is accounted for by this machine learning model. I used Python to code my model and ngrok Streamlit to develop my app. The app in and of itself is pretty easy to use. As shown previously, users can select one of many countries and then relevant commodities and supply chain stages. They can also input a year to further influence the prediction. From here, they can visualize food loss and waste by commodity for a specific stage of the supply chain, or visualize the entire supply chain, food loss and waste for one commodity. Users can also visualize and compare the observed actual percentage of food loss and waste according to the UN database and compare it to the values predicted by the decision tree model. Using similar parameters as above, we can generate comparison visualizations. Using this app, policymakers, food industry stakeholders, and researchers interested in reducing food loss and waste can use this app to generate predictions and visualizations, helping them identify critical areas of the supply chain for intervention and potential food redistribution strategies, hopefully reducing carbon emissions and world hunger.